Hi, I'm Jason with the Reynolds Team. I'm here with Brian New from Island Harbor Construction. You might remember back in the spring I had the privilege of selling an oceanfront property here in town to some clients from out of town. Brian was actually a big part of getting that sold. I gotta give him a lot of credit. If it wasn't for him, it probably wouldn't have happened. He worked with the clients side by side through the entire due diligence period and really helped ease their mind and answer any questions they had, just to make sure they were at ease at making this extraordinarily big purchase. It was a 2-acre property, oceanfront house. The home was older, kind of back in the 80s, never really updated. So Brian's job was to come in and, he said, answer some questions, and then eventually he's going into a long remodeling process on the whole project. And that's kind of where we are now. So we want to give everybody a little bit of an update as to what's going on, and so we can kind of document the whole process all the way along. So let you have Brian here tell you a little bit about what he's doing, what he's done already, and what the plans are from here. Brian?
So Jason brought us on early in the project, meet with Martin, kind of go over, obviously it was a big purchase for the homeowner. So as a contractor, we're able to put the buyer's mind at ease by walking them through, showing them the positives and the negatives of what their purchase is going to consist of. Martin ended up liking the house, obviously, and made the purchase. So right now we're in the demolition stage. It's moving along quite well. The architect, Tom Hoos, is working right now on some of the conceptual designs so he can get that to the homeowner. What we're doing is we're opening up some of those walls that we know we're going to tear out and doing some of the basic demolition that we know the homeowner is definitely going to want to get rid of, some of the outdated items. This will also allow Tom Hoos, the architect, and Frank Farley, the engineer, time to come back in, see exactly how the original contractor put this together, because sometimes the plans that we find from our archive request with the county don't match what actually happened, especially in older homes. We're opening up these walls. We haven't found anything negative to this point, and we're just moving right along. And hopefully we continue on this path, and here in a year, maybe 2 years, we get the client what their real dream home is.
As you can see, working with a local contractor to really make things happen has a lot to do with the whole home buying process, no matter what stage you are. So Brian's been great to work with. He really helped us ease the seller into making his purchase, and wasn't for him, like I said, we never would have got it done. So it doesn't all just stop right at the table when you sign the papers and move on. We like to be there along the way and help out with anything you need down the road.